1967 Chevy Camaro here at MGM Classics. 350 power steering, power brakes, aluminum radiator, beautiful paint, nice rev wheels, front power disc, all slotted, custom interior, custom center console, brand new. Everything looks awesome. Paint is really nice, shines very well. Trunk has been restored and looks great, especially on the passenger side. If you need financing, you will need 10% down and good credit. So you would need about $5,300 down and good credit. For delivery, please text me or call me. I prefer text. Text me your zip code. My number is area code 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars.